Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I want to talk about Twitter today. And no, I don't want to talk about Twitter. I want to talk about the company and the stock. I don't want to talk about Twitter. So what they do is it's not news. Current price is $39.87, which gives them a market cap of $33 billion. Dividend is zero. I don't think that's going to change anytime soon. Definitely wouldn't count on it. Current revenue, $3.5 billion. Current earnings, $1.5 billion. And the problem is that in the trailing 12 months, that went down significantly. So I probably would wait for earnings to check into the stock and see what's going on. It seems like it's just income tax, but could go either way. PE is 22, which is decent but not great. Forward PE is 60, which is definitely not great. Total assets $12.7 billion. Total liabilities $4 billion, which gives them total stockholders equity of $8.7 billion, and that is just about the best balance sheet you can ever see. So I definitely like that balance sheet. Definitely don't like that the current earnings are basically negative, and the current PE would be negative 25. So not great there, but overall revenue growing reasonably, like 15%, is also not great for a company that's this young in this sector at this rate. So overall, I would say that for a growth investor, definitely an interesting stock, and it kind of depends on where you think that this company is going, not just this year or next year, but over the next 5 to 10 years. And I think that's a fairly complicated process there. So I would say that there's a decent chance that Twitter will just not be a thing in 10 years. But you can say that for Facebook as well, and maybe YouTube, or whatever. So I definitely don't know how that's going to end up, and so for that reason, and because the PE is pretty high, the current earnings are negative, so I'm not buying the stock. But if you think Twitter is going to be around in 10 years, I think that this would definitely be a stock to look into. Obviously, for a dividend investor, there's absolutely nothing here. And for a value investor, the balance sheet looks amazing. The PE is decent. The revenue growth is good. So definitely look into the stock if you think they're going to be around in 10 years. That's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.